Everyone is descending and assembling in Port Elizabeth today, and the question is, what's happening? Yes, the MICT SETA SDF workshop. But what is that? SDF stands for Skills Development Facilitator, and we also invite our service providers and employers. What you see today, you will see all our stakeholders gathering here, being trained on the new online system, which now they will be using to upload the information. The Sector Skills Division also conducts focus groups whereby more qualitative analysis is given as to justify the numbers that you would be seeing. As we know that skills development, it is where SETAs provide a supply. However, the demand will come from the workplace. Therefore, that is why it is of primary importance to have our employers coming in to inform SETAs on what exactly is in high demand and what sort of qualification needs to be developed. Hence now we talk about cloud computing that we never had before. We also talk about machine learning. So seeing that, those are 4IR qualifications, which actually tells you that the sector is evolving. So today, it's all gonna be happening here at Kilway Hotel in Port Elizabeth. My name is Andy Lenene, the Regional Manager of MICT SETA, and I thank you.